Hey, what's up, guys? Your favorite boy Fozauti Ben. I'm back again with another video, man. It's quite a refreshing day. 5 days to Christmas. 4 days. Today is the 20th of December. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm about to tell you guys today is actually the most painful thing that a trader go through. I don't know if I'm the only trader that go through this, but I'm saying this out of experience, man. If you're a trader, if you want to become a trader, if you want to make money just trading currency or stocks or whatever, and you should be able to listen to this because I'm about to tell you guys this out of experience. Most time people think that the most painful thing about trading is losing money. No, it's not actually losing money. I mean, losing money is bad, but the most painful thing about trading is not losing money, because losing money is just part of the game. Losing money doesn't really affect you a lot. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm going to tell you guys soon, because this video is going to be very short video. It's going to be at least like maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But listen, guys, whatever I'm saying on this video is just because I've had experiences. Even today morning, you know, I don't trade Forex. I used to trade Forex. I don't trade Forex anymore. I think crypto trading is more profitable than Forex. I don't trade stocks or any of those. I only trade crypto. So for the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency prices today, we've been currently having like some massive dips. And those were not even like a lot of dips. I mean, I really cry, because I've been timing this dip. I've been waiting for this dip, even praying for more prices to go down so that we can shoot all the way to the top. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna affect my altcoins so badly, but I don't care, man. I'm a long-term holder. I hold cryptocurrency for the longest term. Like I said in my previous video, man, I don't sell any altcoins unless Ethereum make a new all-time high. And if Ethereum doesn't make a new all-time high, man, it means we are not even all the way half to the bull market being over. So I've been seeing a lot of people making videos about the bull market is over. Oh no, man. Bull market is never over. It's not going to be over just yet. That Ethereum is still dead. All coins are still lagging. I mean, like I said, I took out some profit on Cardano and Virtual because and Skill, because this project has already given me a lot of returns, man. Why would I keep, like, you know, I'll be super greedy if I don't take out some of those profit. You know, it's only good to take out profit, because you taking profit, you never die. I'm only taking profit because I've been accumulating them in the bear market. If you haven't hit your target yet, just chill, man. There's gonna be a lot of room to grow. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're not talking about that. We always saying this because it affect the prices, affect the trading activity in the crypto space, man. Personally, I don't like shorting the market. I don't like selling the market. I don't like betting money for the market to go down. I would have made a lot of money, because literally I was expecting, okay, first of all, I shorted the market at 107,000, and I literally took out, like, before the market even crashed, before the market even formed a new all-time high to 108. You guys remember it went to 1,700, right? I shorted the market then, but then it went down to 1,400. I closed it out because this is a bull market. You don't really know when these dips are like really confirmed, but you know, it went all the way up to 1.8. I did not short it again, even though I was expecting a dip. I was expecting a correction. I still think maybe the correction might continue, maybe not. Maybe today was a bottom, but I think today was a bottom, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, but that comes to why I'm making this video today, because like I said, man, the most painful thing about trading is not about losing money. I personally think it's about missing opportunities. This is the most painful thing about trading. It's about missing opportunities to make lifetime money. Because look at this, man. Let's say you have a setup, right? And then you catch the bottom in your setup, right? You catch the bottom perfectly well on your setup. And that bottom bounce right as you predicted, and is going up to your direction, and then just because of fear or panicking, you come out way early. You sell out way early, man. You exit the market way early. I mean, it's still in profit, but it's like you're missing out on making massive gain. You know what I'm saying? You manually close that trade, man. Because you're watching it, you manually close that trade. That for me is the most painful thing, because like, man, if you're a trader and you have gone through this, I think you should be able to bear with me, because just imagine you waiting, like, okay, for instance, the reason I'm saying this because I had this same situation earlier today. Okay, before I slept last night, the previous 2 days, I've been trying to cash Ethereum as its bottom, and I've been trying to cash Ethereum since when it crashed from 4,100. I've been trying to cash it at, I thought 800 was gonna bounce, 3,800 was gonna bounce, and I caught it there. I scalped it a little bit, it didn't go, put my stop loss, it went down. I thought 3,500 was gonna hold, 36 was gonna hold, it kept dipping, you know what I'm saying? I thought 3,480 was gonna hold. It did not hold. That was yesterday. So I keep losing all this money. I did not even bother about all that money because I was trying to cash the bottom, man. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to cash the bottom. But then today, something really happened. And I think the reason I'm saying this because I think this is the end of the correction, man. This is the end of the correction. And I really time it. Before I slept last night, I put a limit order just above where the support was. I put it at 3,150 to be precise, not to make sure that it may be, even if you feel letting, I will better lose a little bit than miss it. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking it was going to dip to around $3,080 to $3,060, but then it dipped all the way to 3,100. But my order got fee, right? My order got fee at 3,150, man. But guess what happened? Even Solana, right? I put a limit order at $1,183 on a trade, on leverage trade. These were like all 10x leverage. These were all 10x rigs that I was taking, and I put in a limit order at $183 for Solana, Ethereum at 100 at 3,150, right on top support, man. And you know what happened? All these prices got fee. Even Polkadot, I put a limit order at 3,000 at $6.4, man, and it got fee actually. So all this happening, man, I wake up to some profit, right? I wake up to some profit. But was it enough profit? No. I cut the bottom right where I wake up to some profit, just because that, okay, you guys know I recently liquidate my account, right? And that's the most craziest thing for a trader, to liquidate the account. No matter how it happens, don't ever get liquidated. That's why I used to trade without stop loss, but I wouldn't advise anybody to trade without stop loss. The only reason I used to even trade some pairs without stop loss because we're in a bull market, you know what I'm saying? And I use very good rigs. I don't expect prices to crash all the way to my liquidation unless we are having a correction like this. But since we started having correction, I've been trading with stop losses. But you know, when we actually change the trend, I don't even care trading with stop loss because I know prices are going to appreciate. But anyways, guys, the funniest thing is I caught this bottom, right? I wake up to it since I lost my account the other day, since I blew up $30,000, and it has actually been traumatizing me. I'm not gonna lie to you, because first of all, I took out profit from some of my investment crypto holdings, right? And I blew it off. That actually worried me a little bit, because I don't like triggering my investment money. I don't like touching money that I haven't like really planned to use, just because of greed. I accept that I have some type of greed in me. I'm not gonna lie, but just because of some greed, I was trying to use that money to scalp a little bit. And you know what happened? I blew off that money, man. Right last week, I think last week, when Bitcoin was just like, maybe more than a week ago, when Bitcoin was still hitting about 98,000, man. And I thought it was about to go clear 99,000. And then I was using 50% leverage. A leverage that I've never used in my life. I was using that. Just imagine the type of greed, man. And Bitcoin crashed 3% a month, and I was wiped out instantly of those profit. And anyways, anyways, that make me a lifetime minus on trading, and that's what I don't like seeing. So each time I see that, I'm like, man, I'm in a losses, I need to get back this money. So that always like traumatized me. So I wake up today talking all this to tell you guys that I woke up today with some profit. So I've been trying to secure profit as I can. I woke up today, I'm still grateful, I'm not greedy, even though it still sounds like a great bet. The most painful thing on trading is missing the bottom or cashing the bottom and selling out early. You know what I'm saying? I woke up and I saw Ethereum at $3,230, man. Check out my profit. All those my positions were enter. Polkadot was at 26% profit. Ethereum was at 40% profit. Solana was at 27% profit. Man, you know what I did? I closed all those positions, hoping that maybe we are going to like retest it. But the funniest thing is, since then, since I closed it out, we have been pumping massively, man. We have been pumping without stopping. We have been pumping. I mean, the prices now, the prices that I was running to cash yesterday, don't get me wrong. I was running to cash. Okay, I saw Ethereum at $3,230, right? Now, it went back to a previous support, which became a resistance now, maybe almost less than 3,500, around 3,380 or something, 3,400. It went all the way up there, man. I know somehow at some point we are going to come back and retest some positions and retest some zones. That's why I'm crying out that I should have been maybe cashing out maybe right now, but I was thinking that the retest was going to happen anytime soon, but it did not, man. That is the most painful thing, like not letting your trade play out. Like, you know, it's like even more painful than losing money, because now I would have made much more money than the losses. Because if that trade would have played out, let's say, okay, like how I wanted it to be, I wanted to cash out around 3,450. I wanted to cash out at that price and then let it rebound. Then maybe I can enter back about 3,200, right? But you know what happened? I saw out at 3,230, and then I put a limit order at 3,150 again. Hopefully it comes down this time. Hopefully it come back. But it seems the way the market is recovering, I'm not sure it's gonna come back those prices. And you know, that actually make me sick, because I'm like, man, I caught the bottom of this stuff, right? Right there, I caught the bottom. And what is happening? I'm not out, but the setup is playing out really good, and even faster than I expected, man. So if you're a trader, you should understand this, man. This is actually more painful to me than losing money, because losing, like I said, is part of the game. You lose some, you win some, but make sure you win than you lose, man. So this is what really messed me up a lot of time, like having a setup and not like deploying any money into it, and the setup playing exactly as you want. Now I'm feeling the FOMO, like, man, it seems like this thing gonna just keep pumping. It's not gonna stop. Now I'm feeling the FOMO, like to jump back into the market right now, which I know for sure that the market is not safe to jump into it right now. For instance, Bitcoin went all the way. Okay, even though my limit order did not feel on Bitcoin, I was expecting Bitcoin maybe to touch down around maybe 91,000 or 915. So I put in a limit order. You know, we had a week the other day, a long week that went all the way to 90,500. So I put a limit order that even if it get worse, let it go all the way to that week to like maybe 91,000. So I put a limit order to try to time the bottom, but I guess it was a miss out for me, because perfectly know that if we would have crossed that 90,500, we'll definitely be going to 85,000, which I'm not sure we're going to do that. Okay, for instance, if you want to take a market instinct, maybe the market maker, I don't know what Binance, no, but you remember in 2020 he posted a tweet that Bitcoin, there will be headlines saying that Bitcoin just crashed from 101,000 to 85,000. If you think about that, right, if you calculate that, okay, Bitcoin did not crash from 101,000 this time, right? It crashed from 108,000. So Bitcoin is not going to 85,000. Anybody that has been calling 85,000, we are not going to that yet, man. Maybe when the bear market comes, but as of right now, I'm not sure we are going to 85,000 because okay, it was programmed. I know that correction was programmed, man. Nothing is gonna tell me. Even technical analysis showed this, but these market makers, I don't know what they'll be doing, but they know some things we don't know, man. He said Bitcoin was gonna crash from 101,000 to 85,000, but it did not do that. It instead crashed from 108,000 to 92,500, right? If you look at the math, right? 108,000 minus 101,000, that is 7,000 out, right? Right? So, okay, look, 92,500 minus 92,500 minus 85,000, that is 7,500. So does the math make sense in your head right now? It tells you that this gap has already been filled. It was instead supposed to crash from 101,000 to 85,000, but no, the bull did not let that happen. They instead let it crash from 108,000 to 92,500 to trick us so that we can think, so that we won't be able to know that. So these people only make all this stuff to like make people to miss out on their entry, to miss out on their long position, to miss out on all those stuff, to get the short people wrecked out, like people that have shorted Bitcoin and are hoping for 85,000. You will never see those ends. You will never see those positions just because these people are controlling the market. I would say they do. But anyway, guys, I think this video is getting a little bit longer. I know I told you guys it's gonna be 5 minutes, but we ended up having 17 minutes. So anyway, guys, like I said, man, if you're a trader, you must know this stuff. Like, I've just learned, you know what I'm saying? Even though I'm feeling the FOMO as much, but I'm praying that let the price even somehow retest, because so that we can have like a strong bounce, because prices don't just bounce like this, boom, from 92,000 straight to 98,000. And it's not looking to correct. Somehow, maybe let it even come down to like 94,000, right? That would make some type of sense, right? To show that we have a strong momentum. Let it come and bounce at 95,000 for the Bitcoin price, and let's see if we can close today above 96,000, right? If we come down and we bounce at 93, 94,000, that would be pretty great. I might remove that my limit order at 91,000 because it's still sitting there. I haven't closed it yet, because even if he feels this time at 91,000, I won't think this setup will be valid anymore, because I think we'll be going down furthermore. But if he come down again and crash all the way and pass 92.5, when was the last day? Was it 92.3? I don't think the setup is gonna be valid again, man. I think that whatever the bottom today was, I think that was the bottom. I'm just crying because I'm not sure Ethereum is gonna visit 3,150 anymore, even though it's at 3,380 plus while I'm making this video. But I'm not quite sure that is gonna come to maybe it might come back to 3,200, man. If you come back there, I'll be clapping. I'll be opening a biggest position of my life right now on Ethereum. So I don't know, man. If it does come back down, then that would be crazy, you know. But if it come back down and passes this 3,100 that it went to today, I'm not sure of this setup anymore, because but I think this is it for today, man. I'm really sure we just need to retest, rebounce, and fly back up, man. And you know, we see the high, but I pray let it just come and fill my order, man, because I don't want to miss this ride on Christmas. I don't want to miss this Santa rally, man, because I've been waiting for this. I've been trying to cash 3,000. I've been trying to cash the bottom for the past 2 days, and now I cut the bottom and I sold out too early. So maybe this might be the last time you will see Bitcoin below 3,500 before it goes to like 8,000, man. Maybe talking about Ethereum, maybe this might be the last time you see Ethereum at these prices. And in as much as I'm feeling the FOMO to dive back into the market right now, I think there might be a great entry if it retests back. You know what I'm saying? If it retests back, I'll put in my entry above, like about one. I'll put in one at 3,200, put another one at 3,180, and then I'll put another one right at 3,130. This other field, man, I'm not gonna close this position until we hit 6,000 at least. So like I said, until Ethereum hit a new all-time high, I'm not selling any altcoins. Okay, so guys, there's still much room to go. So let's wait and see what the market is gonna do, man. But I'm just praying to have a good entry, because I'm literally gonna be mad at myself. Even though I've been losing money all these days trying to trade the market, because I don't like to short the market, trying to long the market, but even though the prices are flashing to me right now, I'm not gonna long right now. I'm trying to create discipline for myself, so I'm gonna wait to these prices. If it go, I'll just miss the ride and I'll be pissed at myself. You know what I'm saying? Even though as I keep, when I start regretting it, it came back again. I gave me opportunity around 3,200 when I was after I've closed my position. It came back to 3,200. I did not enter back. I was like waiting for more pullback, but seem like there will be no more pullback. But if he ever come back to 3,200, I'm getting all in, man. You know what I'm saying? But Ethereum, if I miss this ride, I'm really gonna be mad, because this is one of lifetime opportunities that people get. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, man, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Stay liking this video. Make sure you turn on the post notification and you share this content to whoever may concern, man. And you know, turn on the post notification to be the first to watch my next video. You know what I'm saying? But thanks you guys for watching. Peace.